This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a simple steamed tofu side dish. I have here one block of silken tofu. It can be difficult to peel off the top. Put the tofu on a heat-proof steaming dish. If it does not come out, give it a little squeeze. Steam the tofu for about 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the shallot oil. Finely slice 4 shallots. In a pan, over low to medium heat, heat up about 3 tablespoons of oil. Fry the shallots. Move the shallots around the pan for even cooking. If you have made my fried shallots oil recipe from my previous video, just use that oil. I'll leave the link to the recipe in the description below and the card above. When they start to turn brown, turn off the heat. It will continue to cook in the oil. If you wait for it to turn golden brown before taking it off the heat, you will end up with burnt shallots. Now, add quarter teaspoon of salt. After 5 to 7 minutes, remove the tofu. There will be some water at the bottom of the plate from the steam. Pour this water away, leaving about 1 tablespoon of water behind. You will need this 1 tablespoon of water to dilute the soy sauce later on. Put 2 teaspoons of fried shallots and the oil on top of the tofu. Drizzle 2 teaspoons of soy sauce over this. Add some white pepper and garnish with the green parts of the spring onion. This is steamed tofu with soy sauce.